Hi guys, today I would like to share a recipe with you for a delicious and healthy winter salad, a crunchy celery salad that has celery, some green salad, cucumber, an apple, and some pomegranate in it. First, you want to de-seed the apple and cube it. Then add the apple cubes into a large bowl and squeeze over a little bit of lemon juice, just so that you can cover all of the apple cubes. This ensures that the apple doesn't get brown in the salad. And who would want some brown looking apples in their salad? I mean, no one. Then you need a little bit of green salad. I'm using iceberg salad here and just slice it finely like I'm doing here. I'm using 3 celery stems, but my celery comes with the leaves. So if your celery doesn't have such big leaves, then you can use 4 or 5 stems. But if you can, get the celery with the leaves, because the leaves have a really nice taste, and also I think it just looks great in the salad. Then also add the celery to the bowl and start cubing the cucumber. Then you want to peel the carrot and grate it with a grater. Now add the carrot to the salad bowl and also add the pomegranate. If you want to see what's the easiest way to open a pomegranate, check the linked video. Then you will need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of salt, but you can also add less if you want. And then I'm adding some black pepper and some chili and pepper mix. Then add in 1 teaspoon of runny honey and mix everything well. Add the dressing to the salad and give it a good mix so that you have the dressing all over your salad. At this point the salad is ready, but if you want, you can also add about 1 tablespoon of flaxseed to it. This makes the salad even more healthier and good to your body. I hope you liked this crunchy winter salad recipe, and if you did, don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe for some more delicious recipes and fun tutorials. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.